Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix any smart TV that would not turn on and solve black screen issue.
Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Step 1. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Step 2. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Press and hold the TV power button for 10 seconds. Step 4. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check the power source and remote. Step 1. Make sure the outlet is working by testing another device. Step 2. Replace TV batteries or use the TV power button instead of the remote. Fix 3. Inspect HDMI/external devices. Step 1. Disconnect all HDMI or USB devices. Step 2. Try turning on the TV without any devices connected. Fix 4. Reset TV to factory settings if possible. Step 1. Hold the power button or use the reset pin. Check your TV manual. Step 2. Follow on screen instructions to reset. Fix 5. Firmware update via USB. For some smart TVs, Step 1. Download the latest firmware from the manufacturer's site. Step 2. Install it via USB stick following instructions.